Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're doing an office makeover today. We're only spending $37. This is my office. It's a mess. I was about to say this is my mess. It's an office, which would be pretty true. I haven't used it in a while because it's such a mess, but we're changing that today. So this is your sign. Got that messy office, that messy workspace. Let's give it a little makeover. Did I already say we're only going to be spending $37 on wallpaper, and everything else is going to be using things we already have at home or we already own, even if they're a little outdated. We're going to make this an eclectic office, so we have a good excuse to have a bunch of random decor that's laying around in the house. So yeah. Oh, you weren't supposed to see that. I had to tape my tape measure to the wall because it's a little flimsy. We're installing some wallpaper. This is what I chose. It's a little more pink in person, like a peachy pink. It's from Amazon. As I said, it's $37. So not a bad deal because you get plenty of it. And even though I'm making this look very easy as I'm installing it, it was so hard to install this because I had to install it from the bottom up because I couldn't reach the very top because I didn't have a ladder. So this is me, poor soul, thinking it's working out when it's about to get ugly. It started kind of deviating from the line, so I had to take it off again, but I will say this wallpaper holds up so well. I have no idea how many times I had to take it off and put it back on. Okay, now let's do some cleaning. So at this point I realized that this looks really bad. It's way too small for the scale, way too small for the space, so it's got to go. It's not savable. It's warped, it's really old. But I don't have another actual cabinet that can take its place, so I'm going to be using this bookshelf and turning it on its side just so I can use it as a makeshift cabinet of some sort. The scale is great, doesn't look too bad. This will have to work for now. Okay, so over on this little corner, I want to make a little reading nook. So I'm going to bring in this chair that I had in my bedroom. Okay, so now I'm going to be working over on this wall. I'm going to take everything off and start fresh. Since I'm not spending any money on this project, I'm just going to gather all the things I have laying around in the house and call this an eclectic gallery wall of some sorts. Yeah, that's what we're working with. So I did find that if you work with the bigger items in your collection and then work towards the smaller ones, I found that it helps a lot if you're having troubles with your gallery walls. So these are just a few of the things that I have collected for the gallery wall. I might not use them all, and yes, I know some of them are really outdated, but I think of this as their last hurrah or their retirement party, because after this I'll probably just donate a lot of this, but for now this will work. This is what it's looking like. Still unsure if I like it or not. Let's keep putting stuff on there. That's the only way I'll know. I'm gonna be using some of these that I got from Amazon. They're pretty little, but I think they're gonna bring the pop of gold that I'm looking for, because I'm thinking about painting my old mirror gold, so I think it'll bounce back off of that. And yeah, let's see. And first I need to see what I'm gonna put in here. Hopefully some of the prints that I had before in the previous videos, or I don't know, I might have to print something new because these are tiny. Tiny. Okay guys, so this is the one I found online. I printed it at home and now I'm kind of regretting it because it's really pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So if I put them in this, I would have to cut it out. And I don't know, this is really cute. Like this. I don't know. What do you suggest? It'll be too late when you suggest anything, but you know, in spirit. Back in time, what would you have done? Guys, I changed my mind. Yeah, I'm gonna be keeping the other one. It's too cute. So I'm gonna cut some of these up, which are the ones that I got printed out in Walmart. And so yeah, I'm keeping the other one. Okay guys, so I put them in the frame, and then there's that one, and I have the other ones over there, so let's put them up. The only thing I don't like about these is that they don't have anything to hang them by, so I'm gonna try and use duct tape and see if it works. Hopefully it does, because if not, they're probably gonna end up breaking. But it's a temporary solution, so whenever I go to the store, I'll find something else. Okay, I put it in a frame. Look how good that looks. It's so cute. Let's put it up now. So this is what our Eclectic, I have to say that word because there's a mixture of a lot of different art styles in there. That's what it turned out like, which I'm not mad about. Next, we're gonna move over to the wall behind the desk. And I have two options. I have these candle sconces, and then I also have a picture frame that I found in Lowe's a long time ago. And I think I'm gonna go with a picture frame. It's just a little bit wider, holds a little bit more space. And remember how I told you I was gonna use a mirror in the middle of this wall and possibly painting it a gold color? So that's what I'm gonna do. It's not gonna be all gold. I took inspiration from a picture frame that I saw in TJ Maxx, which was all white and it had gold along the ornate parts of it. I found something online that's similar to it. It just had a lot more gold, the one I saw in TJ Maxx. So we're gonna be using this gold deco color pen. It's, I think, the easiest way to get into those small little crevices of the frame. And I was gonna use rub and buff, but I think that'll just turn out too messy and not very precise. So let's get to it. So this is what it turned out like. What do you guys think? I think I like it. It gives it a pop of color. And up next is the reveal. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Love you all. Bye.